Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import LinkedIn contacts to HubSpot. First, go to your LinkedIn account. Now once in, on the upper ribbon, click on your profile icon. Now from the drop-down, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, on the left panel, select Data Privacy. Then, go and get a copy of your data. Here, select on the first option, as this includes your connection and your contacts. Now, request your archive. And take note that it will be ready in about 24 hours. So I've already done that. And once you have your data, just go to your HubSpot account and log in. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, go ahead and click on CRM and select Contacts. Now for here, you need to import your contacts, then import a file and start it. Now for the kind of data, select on Contacts, then click on Next. After that, choose a file. Choose the one from LinkedIn that contains your data for your contacts. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that one. Once uploaded, for here, you can choose different options. I'm gonna select on Create and Update Contacts. Now click on Next. After this field mapping, click on Next again at the bottom right. Here, just toggle on Create a Contacts and agree to their terms. Then finish your import. Now just wait for it to process. And once you have it, you can go and click on it. And there you have it. You now have your LinkedIn CSV imported. Now go to CRM and select Contacts. Here you will see the contacts imported from LinkedIn. When you choose on one, in About This Contact section, you will see a LinkedIn URL. If you don't see one, go to Actions, then select Customize Properties. Now add a property, then search for LinkedIn and select LinkedIn URL. Now hit Save. And there you have it. You now have your LinkedIn URL that you can view, which will lead you to the profile of your contact. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.